Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluency Podcast. It's really good to have you here today. I'm Leo.
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah. Thanks for spending this time with us.
Today's episode is for people who want to learn English but feel they don't have time.
Yes, people who are busy, tired, working, studying, or doing many things every day.
So let's start with today's topic: 10 tips to learn English if you don't have time.
This is very important because many people think they need hours every day, and that's not true.
Exactly. You don't need a lot of time. You need the right habits.
Small habits every day.
All right, let's start. Now let's go with tip number 1.
Tip 1 is very simple. Stop waiting for free time.
Yes, free time usually never comes.
People say, I will study English when I have time, but they are always busy.
So instead, use small moments.
For example, when you wake up,
Or when you are on the bus.
or when you are waiting in line.
5 minutes is enough.
Even 2 or 3 minutes are useful.
English is not about long study sessions.
It's about frequency.
Doing something every day.
So tip 1 is use small moments, not free time.
All right, let's move to tip number 2.
Tip 2 is listening every day, even if it's short.
Listening is the base of English.
You learn the sounds,
You learn the rhythm.
and you learn how sentences really sound.
You don't need to understand everything.
That's very important.
Many people stop because they don't understand all the words.
That's normal.
Just listen.
Let your brain get used to English.
5 or 10 minutes a day is perfect.
Short podcasts, short videos, simple conversations.
This trains your ear.
And slowly, English feels more familiar.
Good. Now let's go to tip number 3.
Tip 3 is speaking alone.
Many people think speaking needs another person.
But you can start alone.
Talk to yourself.
Describe what you are doing.
For example, I am making coffee.
I am washing the dishes.
I am going to work.
Simple sentences.
No grammar stress.
No perfect English.
Just speak.
This builds confidence.
And it trains your brain to produce English.
Even 1 or 2 minutes is good.
Now, tip number 4.
Tip 4 is learning phrases, not single words.
This is very powerful.
Instead of learning hungry, learn I'm hungry.
Instead of tired, learn I'm tired.
Phrases are ready to use.
They save time.
And they sound natural.
Your brain works less.
This is perfect when you have little time.
Okay, let's continue with tip number 5.
Tip 5 is repetition.
People think repetition is boring.
But repetition is how the brain learns.
Listen to the same content many times.
The first time, you understand a little.
The second time, more.
The third time, even more.
Repetition saves time in the long run.
Because words become automatic.
You don't translate anymore.
You just understand.
All right, let's go with tip number 6.
Tip 6 is having a very small daily goal.
Not big goals.
No, I will study for 1 hour.
That's too big.
Instead, I will listen for 5 minutes.
Or I will say 5 sentences.
Small goals are easy.
And easy goals get done.
This builds consistency.
Consistency is more important than intensity.
Now let's go to tip number 7.
Tip 7 is using English in your daily life.
Change small things.
Your phone language.
Your apps.
Your music.
Your videos.
English becomes part of your routine.
Not something extra.
This is perfect for busy people.
Because you don't add time.
You replace content.
All right, tip number 8.
Tip 8 is accepting mistakes.
This is very important.
Many people don't speak because they are afraid.
Afraid of mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Fluent speakers made many mistakes.
Everyone does.
So speak even if it's not perfect.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Now, tip number 9.
Tip 9 is using simple English.
Don't try to sound advanced.
Simple English is strong English.
Native speakers use simple words.
Clear sentences.
Short ideas.
This saves energy,
And helps you speak faster.
especially at A1 level.
Finally, tip number 10.
Tip 10 is patience.
Learning English is a process.
It takes time, even with good habits.
Some days are good.
Some days are difficult.
That's normal.
Don't stop.
Just continue.
5 minutes today is better than nothing.
And 5 minutes every day becomes real progress. So, to summarize, you don't need a lot of time.
You need small actions.
Every day.
English grows slowly,
But it grows.
and if you stay consistent, you will improve.
Thank you for being here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening.
This was Fluency Podcast.
And we'll see you in the next episode.